Hey everyone, it's Elaine, and this is the morning of the fourth day after trying to put things together in the she shed. And I have to come up with another name for my building. My husband calls it the junk house. Ha ha ha. Not very funny to me. Anyhow, let's go on in and see what has been done so far. Now, the first 2 days, my friend Kathy came to help me. How many people do you know would volunteer to help you move stuff in? And we did a lot. All right, this is my little kitchen area. So far, no rack or refrigerator. But this is my husband's gun cabinet he was given in high school or at graduation. And a long time ago, I built shelves in it without using nails. And I'm going to use that as a place to stage things that I have to sell and maybe some things for the kitchen area too. So that's when you walk in the door. And of course, you know behind the door is the bathroom and nothing more has happened there. So here we go. Kathy and I put together 2 wire racks. And I'm going to add some more shelves to those. So they don't have much on them right now. I didn't see any sense in putting them together and then having to unload them. And say hello to Sissy. She just doesn't know what to think about this place. Anyway, so I've still got 3 tables down the middle. And a lot of that stuff is what I'm hoping will go on the wire racks. The dump bin right now has some fabric swatches in it, small samples. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave that. I'm going to dump them and see how many I end up with, whether I decide to use. I had them in some of those bins like that, but I don't know if it may be too much. Anyway, here is my knockoff version of the Calyx. This is 2 of the 8 cube racks from Walmart. And I did have those plastic bins down there, but I think I'm still going to have so many of the larger fabric samples. So if anyone ever says fabric samples, don't worry about it, look at all of them. And some of them, I'm telling you, are absolutely beautiful. So if you have the opportunity, ask. All they can do is tell you no. So anyway, this is going to be my my sewing station. And look at this, what I did with the candy rack. I did my different paints in there. I think it is so cute. So I do still have to chalk up here and everything and write something. And then this is going to be my paint station. And it's coming along a little bit better. I just have stencils and stuff piled up. This rolling rack right here, I'm not feeling it. It's probably going to have to go. But right now, I don't have any place to put those things in it. And this is just miscellaneous, things that I need to find a place for. And then, of course, my toolbar with all of my, cutting boards and Cricut and binding machines and stuff. And then, I've said it before, I know a lot of people don't really like the plastic bins. I don't mind them because I can see what's inside of them. This is going to be a paper station. Still have more to put on it. And then this is going to be the desk like I used to always have where I film. I haven't set up my camera or anything yet. Hopefully maybe today. And that takes us back around to the racks. So that's kind of what's happening. And I think I've gotten a lot finished. The room that I was in is for the most part empty. There's a little bit in there. And then what was hanging on the walls is still in there. So I need to get those out. But that's me. And I do appreciate you all coming by. And me and Sissy are going to sign off now. And we will catch you later. And Sissy says, subscribe to Mama. And give her a thumbs up. We'd all appreciate it. Y'all have a good day and stay safe. Bye.